How to fix Capitec Bank app not working. To fix a non-working Capitec Bank app, you may follow up the steps. First of all, you may just head over to devices settings, open it up, and once you're there, you can head over to connections and look out for your internet connection. You can head over to Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you connected and see if that is working properly or not. Because if you're having internet issues, likely the app will also not work properly. Apart from that, ensure that your application is also updated to the latest version. For that, head over to device's Play Store or App Store if you're on iOS. After that, go to the search and you can directly search for Capitec in the search. And once you find the application, you may just go and look out for update if there is any kind of update available and ensure that the app is updated to the latest version. If the issue is still persisting, what you may do is you may just go ahead and try clearing the app's cache and data. For that, long press on the app and you may go to the info section at the top. And once you do, here you may just scroll down from the given options, look out for storage, tap on it, and once you go to storage, in the bottom right corner you can find clear cache, and in the bottom left you can find clear data. You can just go ahead and look out for that options and try clearing the app's cache and data. After that is done, you can even try reinstalling the application. For that, you can directly look out for uninstall option here within app info and reinstall the application. Delete the application first, and you can head over to your available Play Store, App Store, and again reinstall the application. Otherwise, if the problem still continues, you can directly contact the Capitec Bank for assistance, and that's it. So these are some of the solutions you can follow up if you would like to fix your Capitec Bank app not working. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.